In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Cash Sweep in Robinhood Legend, how it works, and how you can enable or disable it on your account. In this tutorial, you will learn how uninvested cash is handled and how to manage the Cash Sweep feature step by step. Cash Sweep applies to any uninvested cash in your Robinhood account, meaning funds that are not currently being used in stocks, ETFs, or options. When Cash Sweep is enabled, this idle cash is automatically moved from your brokerage account into partner bank deposit accounts. This process happens automatically in the background once the feature is turned on, so no manual action is required after setup. Once the cash is swept into partner banks, it becomes eligible for FDIC insurance, which provides protection up to applicable limits per bank. This adds an extra layer of security for your uninvested funds while they remain in the program. At the same time, swept cash may earn interest based on the current annual percentage yield offered through partner banks, allowing your idle funds to generate returns while not being invested. Even when your cash is swept, it still appears in your Robinhood account balance, and you can access it at any time for investing or withdrawals without restriction. Once you are signed in, click on the human-like icon on the upper right-hand corner, then click View More Details under Margin. A new window will pop up. Then go to your account section. From there, navigate to Investing and scroll until you find the Cash Sweep program. Once you locate it, select Enable Cash Sweep and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Robinhood will guide you through each step until the feature is activated. After enabling it, any uninvested cash will automatically be moved into the Cash Sweep program according to its terms. If you decide to turn it off, return to the same Cash Sweep program section within Investing. From there, select Disable Cash Sweep and confirm your choice. Once disabled, any uninvested cash will remain in your brokerage account instead of being swept into partner banks, and it will no longer earn interest through the program. That is how Cash Sweep works on Robinhood and how you can enable or disable it based on your preference.